This is the Tecno Camon 11 Pro. Nope. What's going on here? Nah. This is the Tecno Camon 11 Pro. Yeah, this is the right device. Hey, what's going on guys? This is Fred from Fred's Tech Hub, and in today's video I'll be doing a camera comparison between the Tecno Camon 11 Pro versus its immediate predecessor, the Tecno Camon X Pro. But before we begin, please kindly hit on that subscribe button down below to join this awesome family. And turn on the bell icon as well too, so you get notification whenever I upload a new video. So what about the camera hardware? On the Tecno Camon 11 Pro, it has a 24 megapixel front-facing camera with a single flash and a 16 plus 5 megapixels camera with a quad flash on the back of the device. While the Tecno Camon X Pro features a 24 megapixel front-facing camera with a dual flash, then on the back it has a 16 megapixels camera with a quad flash. So let's get things started with a little blind test here. I'm going to label the first image A, then label the second image as B. Before you get to a point where I'll review the video, go ahead, tell me which one you like the most. You like image A or you like image B the most? Take your time, pause the video, take a look at it properly, and drop your comments in the comment section below. Alright, tell me, which one did you pick? A or B? You think B belongs to the Camon X Pro? Or A belongs to the Camon 11 Pro? Or vice versa? Okay, here are the results. Okay, so if you pick B, B actually belongs to the Tecno Camon 11 Pro. Then if you pick A, A is the Tecno Camon X Pro. The AI functionality on the Tecno Camon 11 Pro is doing a pretty good job here. It has deep contrast with consistent color reproduction. But when it comes to raw details, I think both devices maintains good amount of details. You can barely tell the difference between the two. On this other image here, the AI kicks in very well. You see deep blues and overall richer in contrast. But both devices maintain good amount of details. Although I tend to prefer the Camon X Pro image here, because of how natural it looks with less saturation. On this other image, they look almost identical, but you'll still see the AI doing its magic a little more, especially if you look at the walls on both images. You might tend to like the Tecno Camon 11 Pro image more. The AI just much beautification to all its images, and it makes everything pop. I want to say something here. If you turn off the AI functionality on the Tecno Camon 11 Pro, you'll be hard pressed to tell the difference between the two. The image processing are very similar on both phones. You can never go wrong with any. But the Tecno Camon 11 Pro takes the whole thing further with its AI or artificial intelligence capabilities. The images are more pleasing to look at with much contrast, all thanks to the AI capabilities. On this image, I bet you most of you picked the B, which is actually the Camon 11 Pro. You don't need a soothsayer to tell you that the image B is coming from the Camon 11 Pro. It favors the skin tone more, color reproduction is fantastic, and the overall image looks pleasing to the eye. The Camon X Pro image looks flat next to the Camon 11 Pro, but trust me, the Camon X Pro image is the closest thing to real life. It doesn't have the same level of saturation or contrast of that of the Camon 11 Pro, but it is what represents real life looking images. So what about low light images or indoor shots? Again, the Camon 11 Pro takes the cake here. The AI did not only add much processing, but the dual camera at the back helped it produce much detailed images compared to the Camon X Pro. But the Camon X Pro isn't too far off too. Selfies on the Camon 11 Pro has much details with added contrast than the Camon X Pro. The Camon X Pro in most cases take decent selfies too, but I am spoiled by the Camon 11 Pro images. So what about images with background blur effect or bokeh effect? I would advise you not to take the two of them serious. Don't get me wrong, it does get the job done, but far away from what I would call perfect. Even most high-end phones struggle in this department too. On the video side, both devices shoots video in 1080p and they have good amount of details. But I have to say that I prefer the Camon X Pro video more than the Camon 11 Pro. The AI color reproduction is way too much here, too oversaturated to my liking. You might like it, but as for me, the color reproduction is too high on the Camon 11 Pro. Both devices handle high dynamic range or HDR properly. I don't really have much to complain here. So guys, that was the camera comparison between the all-new Tecno Camon 11 Pro and the Tecno Camon X Pro. I think the Tecno Camon 11 Pro is just an incremental update from the Tecno Camon X Pro. Unless you like the attractive design and the new AI functionality, I wouldn't advise you to jump to the Tecno Camon 11 Pro if you already own the Tecno Camon X Pro. But if you're coming from another device and you are a camera-centric person, then the Camon 11 Pro will please you for a longer period of time. Please share your thoughts with me in the comment section below. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you like the video. And please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.